hope all is well. So today's lesson is based on a monopoly. So a monopoly is classified as an entity that is a single seller in the market, or an entity that produces unique products in a market, right? So I would say that a monopoly has a few problems, such as producing low quality of products, also such as fixing prices and pushing higher inflation rates. So we're going to look at a few questions of a monopoly based on a graph. So the first question is asking us what the selling price of the business above would be, right? So we can answer these questions based on the mark allocation that we have. So the first question, I would say that with the information that we have, it is not possible for us to calculate the exact selling price. Why? Because the selling price of an entity is determined or depends on the following factors, such as demand of a product, cost of production of that product, and the market condition of the product. Then I believe that by saying that, you will get your 1 mark. Then the second question asks us what the unit price will the monopolist charge to maximize profit. So for a monopolist to maximize profit is when the marginal cost is equals to the marginal revenue. So when the marginal cost is equals to the marginal revenue, this is known as the profit maximization rule of a monopolist. So our marginal cost graph with our marginal revenue graph, we can say that they are equal, where quantity is 50 and the price is 60. Right. So the third question is asking us to define the term monopoly. We have already defined what a monopoly is, right? A monopoly is an enterprise or a market which we can say that it is characterized by being a single seller or by selling unique products. Then the last question is asking us what is required for a monopoly to be classified as an artificial monopoly. So a monopoly to become artificial, it's normally influenced by external factors. So the answer to this one is quite simple. For a monopoly to be classified as an artificial monopoly, there must be a creation of external factors such as government regulations, patent, exclusive rights to grant a firm control over the production of sales. I hope that makes sense. Like we can say that an artificial monopoly is created through patent, government regulations, other barriers such as entry to the market that prevents competition. With all that said, I hope that you are now able to define a monopoly and have a clear lesson of what a monopoly is. Thank you.